Cell Academy, Goa's best institute for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 8 to 12th. State topper for NEET, JEE, BITSAT 2024 are produced by Cell Academy. Admissions are now open for class 8 to 12th at our study centers in Margao, Vasco and Prudent. Book your seat today. Limited seats available.
Goa State Film Festival 2025 10th edition, 11th edition and 12th edition हे आम्ही आज अनाउन्स केला. हे द फोर डे फिल्म फेस्टिवल उरतले विच इज ऑन द 14th, 15th, 16th आणि 17th ऑगस्ट. 14 तारखे दीस गोवन फिल्म फेस्टिवलाचें इनॉग्रेशन जातलें आणि 17 तारखे दिसा गोवन फिल्म फेस्टिवल 2025 हाजो क्लोजिंग सेरेमनी आसतलो. The topic for the film festivals will be given. The movie makers have to submit their film within the 48 hours after the topic announced, and selected short films will be the screen during the festival and will also be given the prize money. The submission of the movies for the competition section of the festival will start from the tomorrow 17 June 2025 and last date of the submission will be the 7th July 2025. एक category जी आसा which feature films will be the two section, कोंकणी आणि मराठी अशी दोन सेक्शनान आसतली feature films, आणि नॉन feature films will be the combined section for the कोंकणी आणि मराठी लँग्वेज. हाज्या खातीर कंबाईन दोन्ही लँग्वेजी कंबाईन करून आसतले. प्राइज मनी इट इज एन बेस्ट फिल्म. द फर्स्ट प्राइज will be the 5 lakhs, second prize 3 lakhs, okay, and the best direction, the first prize is then 50,000 and the second prize is the 35,000. हाज्या व्यतिरिक्त is the best actor, best actress, it is then सगळे 25,000 each prize is